Hey folks, Jeremy Gallagher here, Senior Sales Manager, Palm Harbor Homes here in Conroe, Texas. Just want to introduce this amazing floor plan that we have here. This is what we call the Magnum. As you can see, this is a gorgeous home. This is a chef-inspired kitchen, which is super user-friendly. As you can see, we have the solid ceramic tile backsplash all the way up to the top. We have these amazing cabinets with European hidden hinges. Guys, this is an incredible home. This is designed for you. You need a Palm Harbor home so you and your family can enjoy all these amazing benefits.
What's going on, everybody? Like JG said, it's Dylan Price here at Palm Harbor Homes in Conroe. Once you become my customer, you can call me Pickle because everybody else does. Magnum got everything you need: kitchen, huge master, second living space, but this is where this house really thrives. Makeup vanity behind the camera. We got dual vanity here, so you never got to mix up things with the wife. Amazing relaxing tub. Sit there all day, drink your wine, look out the window at your kids drinking out the water hose. Everything that you need this house provides. 3 closets, 2 in here. Best part is just around this corner. Peekaboo, what's going on? It's a walk-through bathroom with a shower tower. Doesn't get better than this, guys. Let's swing it back around. Now, this home is a family of floor plans. This one right now is available, guys. So if you want one, like JG says, Super Center here right in Conroe. You can ask for me, myself, and I, or you can ask for JG, who can take care of you. Now, I know this is beautiful, kitchen's beautiful, but before we let you go anywhere else, we got one more special surprise for you, and we're gonna swing it back to JG.
Hey folks, Jeremy Gallagher, better known as JG, here in the Magnum. Wanted to show you this amazing secondary living space. I mean, this is incredible. Look at this amazing fireplace, absolutely gorgeous. Picture you and your family around the holidays, sitting here, enjoying the family in a Palm Harbor home. Guys, you gotta come see us, Palm Harbor Homes, Conroe, Texas.